Hello, physics fans. This is the introduction to unit number 5, circular motion. And so it's sometimes in textbooks referred to as uniform circular motion because we tend to consider at this introductory level of physics that you are keeping your velocity in the circle constant. Now, of course, it doesn't have to be, especially if you were to put a ball on a string, say, and go outside and do that vertically. The gravitational field of Earth would have a different velocity at the top and bottom, slightly, right? So anyway, just to throw down some of the basic vocabulary and concepts we're talking about. So I can have this apple and it can revolve, right? Turn or spin on its own axis, or it can orbit, right? Oh, that's not easy. Here we go. It can orbit around an axis that's external to the body, right? It could also, I could skewer it here on the side and have it spin about an axis not in the center of the apple, right? So if you go on to study physics in college or engineering, there are 2 whole courses involved in some of this stuff called statics and rigid body dynamics. And all first and second year engineering students take those 2 classes, no matter what branch of engineering you go into. So that's one thing for circular or spherical objects. What happens when I get an object that looks like this, right? And its center of gravity is not exactly in the center. Oh, I hope I don't break my computer. Right? It's not exactly in the center of the object. So how does this behave when I swing it in this way versus this way? Right? Just feeling that, you can sense a difference in what we call the moment of inertia, and it's usually called I. And again, that's if we start digging deeper into circular motion. So, just wanted to throw down some of the concepts and welcome you to the new unit. And also today's experiment on using Pear Deck. We'll see how that goes. So keep an open mind, and I will be looking for feedback, so I'm throwing that down now. At the end about how this lesson felt for you on your end. So I have some thoughts on my end as the teacher, but how did it work for you? So I will be asking that at the end, so kind of participate in today's lesson with that hat on or lens. Alright, great. Here we go. Circular motion.